Welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new, this is Roaming with the Richards. I'm Angelica, this is Jonathan, and we are here at Dollywood. This is my first time coming for the summer celebration this year, and mostly what we're going to be focusing on in this video is going to be the tasting pass.
Yep, we're going to see if this year's, the 2024 summer food taste pass is worth it, and we'll let y'all know. On top of that, I want to try to go ahead and go into the museum because it would be our first time going into the museum.
Yep.
Not sure if we're going to be able to make it to the new show that's in that area, but we'll find out. So the first thing that we gotten for the food pass is over here at the Iron Horse Pizza is the bacon mac and cheese pizza that we got right here, and we're gonna let Angel try it first.
All right, let's see if I can get a slice of it off. Charlotte was thirsty, if you heard out there. Looks good, got cheese. You won't like it.
I won't like it? No. No.
We might have to go get another one.
Yeah. After looking at the everything on the pass, this was the one that I was like, yeah, this is the must try.
Yeah. Okay. Yep. All right. Let's see how you think. Ready?
Yeah, this is definitely going to be hard to beat, I think. I mean, we really like pizza, but I really think this is going to be hard, really hard to beat.
We're starting off strong.
There's like no like tomato paste, like pizza sauce on it, so it's just really.
It's more like cheese sauce.
Yeah, it's like cheese sauce, the mozzarella, the noodles for the mac and cheese. Not a whole lot of bacon on here. Maybe we just gotta.
I got a good bit of bacon flavor.
Yeah.
But I didn't get any like texture of bacon.
Yeah. So, but overall, it's really good. So
yeah.
Definitely worth getting. All right, the last time I was at Dollywood, I got in the s'mores brownie. So we're going to go ahead and get this. Our second thing on the food taste pass will be a s'mores brownie. I really enjoyed it, so we're just going to see what Angel thinks of it, and I already know she's going to love it.
I need another fork.
Yeah, Charlotte took the other fork. How you like it?
It's good. Very chocolatey.
Yeah. Definitely recommend this one as well. So.
Plus, it's all a corner brownie.
Yeah. So, biggest thing is, I mean, on this one, sometimes like it's in the bakery, and sometimes we don't use the food pass in the bakery. We just buy it because it's a lot. It's like $7, $8 at times. So we normally try to get a bigger ticket, but this go around we wanted to go ahead and show this one and do it part of the actual food pass. Showcasing one of her setup for a variety of shows. It's old school TV screen, TV kind of setup, and then the backdrop for one of those shows with a swing, and you can tell that Charlotte's really trying to figure out this swing. All right, so our third thing is the fruit crunch funnel cake. I'm not too sure about this one.
I think it looks the presentation is nice.
The presentation is very nice. I am just very intrigued on how this would taste.
Charlotte wants the first bite.
Charlotte wants the first bite.
Yeah, she said.
Yeah,
She said that. I don't think you got none of the toppings.
she says I like whipped cream, so that's fine.
She clearly approves.
And so Angel's bite.
This part's just a funnel cake. I gotta get some of the topping. I missed the strawberry.
What about the cereal? Did you get any of the cereal?
A little cereal, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. I mean, if you like Fruity Pebbles and you like whipped cream, and you like fruit, it's pretty good. All right, he's gonna try it, and Charlotte wants her next bite, so. She got the next bite, if she can bite into it. There you go.
I can't even get a...
I think by the time you get the next bite, she's gonna be yelling for the next
probably
bite.
So. Okay, here we go. We finally got it. Yeah, if you like Fruity Pebbles, you'll probably like this one. I mean, like, really like Fruity Pebbles, you probably really like this. It's actually not that bad. It's just, I don't know. I really like the s'mores funnel cake from last year.
Yeah.
I think between this or the s'mores brownie, I would choose the s'mores brownie. But for another dessert, I mean, this is pretty good.
Yeah. Plus, you get some fresh fruit with it and stuff. So.
All right, this is Granny Ogle's pinto bean nachos. This is the fourth thing out of the 5 things we can get on the food pass. Out of all the things, this was our 4th choice. So I want to let Angel eat it. As you can tell, I said eat it, not try it. I don't know. Like, I might take a bite out of it, but I probably won't record my reaction because it may not be that great on my reaction. But I'm also very, very picky eater. Angel is like more of a better choice. She'll give you a more of an honest opinion and not being biased on pickiness.
I got impatient.
You got impatient. You said,
I was like,
"Quit talking and let me eat."
It's really good. Yeah, the chicken's nice and moist, and it's got lots of toppings. So it's got a little kick to it, but not really bad. It's not really spicy.
Yeah.
It's a little spicy.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's the nachos.
You want chip?
You are just simply adorable, darling. Look at you, little Miss Dolly. Come on in here. Come on in. Just make yourself at home.
Okay, so for the last thing on our list, we have the apple cider. I think it's apple cider vinegar barbecue sandwich.
I think so.
I know it's apple cider in it, so and it's also apple cider kettle chips.
Oh, is
not potato chips, but kettle chips. So anyway, we're gonna was that chow chow again?
Yeah.
With chow chow for your chips. So we'll let Angel take the first taste. It's been a long day.
It's pretty good.
Really good? How does the sandwich look? Oh, you're gonna show me the size of your bite?
Yep.
Man, that's a big mouth.
It's very smoky as on the meat, and then the sauce has a little tang to it, so
Yeah.
it's good.
Oh, so is it good? Just as good as last year's barbecue sandwich, or?
I think so. As far as the barbecue sandwich, the brisket was really good last year, but they don't have that. So, but this is really good. All right.
All right. So let me take my bite. Yeah, it's really good. I mean, you can taste like the vinegar base, but not so much the apple cider, I don't think.
Yeah.
At least I didn't taste that. So, but go ahead and try a chip. I am not trying the chow chow though. The chip is really good. I'm not a big fan of kettle chips, but that's
Good chips.
this is if you want something a little bit more hearty out of the festival foods, I would say this is it.
Yeah.
That's what I think so far. So.
More filling.
All right, guys, that was our 5 things that we gotten from the food pass for the summer celebration 2024 here at Dollywood.
Yep.
I still think we still came out ahead. Again, it's $40 for the pass if you're a gold member.
That's including tax.
Yeah, that's including tax and all that. So I didn't really keep track after a while, but last time I looked, it was like we needed like $20 and still had after 2 things, we needed about $20 worth, and the funnel cake, was over $10. Everything was over $10. So we still came out way to the positive. To me, it's still, depending on what you get, it's still worth it. Still recommend the sandwich. The only thing I kind of wish we would have tried, so maybe next time we would try it, would be the, what was it called? The cookies and cream.
Something. It started with a P.
Yeah, I cannot remember the name of it, but it's like looked like a bar, just a
Popsicle bar, ice
popsicle
cream bar,
bar.
something
Yeah.
like that.
So that was one thing we probably should have tried, but we didn't.
Yeah.
But outside of that, I hope y'all liked the video. And if y'all did, help us out. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit that notification bell for you can get notified on our next adventure. Depending on, you don't know where we'll go. Typically be somewhere in the mountains, between the mountains and Charlotte normally, but I know we got a Disney trip coming up too. So outside of that, we'll catch y'all next time.
Thanks for watching.
Later.